I'm your sister Kausar. So I would like to share my heartfelt feedback about motherly platform called Superstar Students and Parents Family. We know that great legends like Swami Vivekananda, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir and many believed in building powerful youth in India. This is the great vision of Dr. GDR sir. By involving here, we could know the importance of being independent and successful individuals. By knowing the meaning of true love and affection towards our parents and family, and the importance of being responsible at right age. I would suggest you that it is a best platform where you can find the best version of yourself. Thank you.